Hey guys, how's it going? KW here. We are back here at the Howard Johnson oceanfront in Ocean City, Maryland, the one on 24th Street, I believe this is on. But we got a special room here today. We got a 2-bedroom suite here. So yeah, let's show you what a 2-bedroom suite here at Howard Johnson looks like. TripAdvisor. Our map. One of 2 bathrooms. Room. Little half bath. It's nice. Amenities. Got a little kitchen area. It does come with a full stuff you need, dishes under here. Comes with a little hot plate. Nice touch. Toaster oven. Thing just looks warm, not too dirty. Microwave. Small but clean. Refrigerator. It's clean. Another look at the kitchen area. A little wardrobe. Got another closet right there too. Pull out linens for a sofa. Safe. Iron board. Got a Samsung TV. Lamp. A little worn. Furniture's a little beat up, a little scratches. Not that big of a deal. Got a nice sofa, which is clean. The curtains are hanging a little bit, it's drooping down. See? Drooping down a little bit, but not that big of a deal. So yes, we'll get back to the balcony in a second. Here's one of 2 bedrooms. This room has a king bed. Right here, king bed with your TV and another entrance out to the balcony. Yep, that's 1 bedroom. And you got your other own AC up here. Other AC. Here's our full old table and stuff. Here's our full bathroom. Okay, full bathroom here. Sink. Toilet. Nice deep tub. Our bath amenities. Here's the 2nd bedroom with 2 small beds. We got a ceiling fan, no AC unit or heat unit here, but we do have a ceiling fan, so that should keep things good. These are double twin beds right here. You got 2 twin beds. Right here, nightstand, lamp, and outlet. These curtains, it's a little bit gross right there. That looks like that might just be super glue right there on the curtains. So, okay. So, yeah. And we got a window. Yep. Oh, a window. Okay. My main gripe in here is there's no TV. Yeah, TV, I guess we call master bedroom, but no TV in here. That's kind of my main gripe with the room right here, but it is what it is. So let's peel back this bed. Just want Bed does look clean, so that's good. Bed does look clean. So another pan over second bedroom here. This is the room I'm staying in. You know, got little scuffs right there. But yeah. Your little second bedroom right here. Another look at the full bathroom. Living room area. And we, run exterior corridor. Another look right here. Let's take a look at this balcony. It's a nice big balcony. Nice big balcony. That's a door for the bedroom there. Nice big balcony. Partial view, we're right here. We got the ocean, boardwalk, and coastal highway. So, yep. Look at our view right here. Our balcony, all right here could be repainted. But got some nice chairs here. Another pan room. So I'm down here for cruise week. It's May 17th. This is a Friday in May. And this room would have cost $660 for the weekend. But here's a hack. You can get this room for 15,000 Wyndham Rewards points a night. And it's literally cheaper to buy the Wyndham Rewards points. So I bought 30,000 Wyndham Rewards points, 30,000 Wyndham Rewards points, and it only cost me $286. So therefore, I bought the points for $286 and used the points for here. So therefore, I only paid $286 for this room. So that's a good hack. So, yeah. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.